The internet has evolved. We are entering the era of Web3, a decentralized internet built on blockchain technology. Web3 promises a future of transparency and user empowerment. However, it also presents new challenges for user privacy. This is where zkPass emerges as a beacon of hope, offering a novel solution to the dilemma of privacy in the digital age. zkPass redefines how we approach Know Your Customer, or KYC processes, a critical aspect of many online platforms. Traditional KYC methods often require users to surrender vast amounts of personal information. This creates a significant risk of data breaches and identity theft. zkPass leverages the power of zero-knowledge proofs, or zkPs, to revolutionize KYC. zkPs are cryptographic protocols that allow one party to prove to another that they possess certain information without revealing the information itself. It's like proving you have a key to a lock without showing anyone the key or the lock's design. This revolutionary technology empowers users to maintain control over their data. They can prove their eligibility for various services without exposing sensitive personal information. Imagine being able to verify your age for an online purchase without revealing your birth date, address, or credit card details. This is the power and promise of zkPass. Zero-knowledge proofs are complex cryptographic protocols. However, their underlying principle is surprisingly simple. Imagine you want to prove to a friend that you can distinguish between two colors, say red and green, without revealing which color you can actually see. You could ask your friend to hold up a red card and a green card behind their back. Then, without looking, your friend shuffles the cards and reveals one. If you can consistently identify the color of the revealed card, your friend can be statistically certain that you can indeed distinguish between red and green, even though they never learned which color you could see. zkPs work similarly. They allow one party, the prover, to convince another party, the verifier, of the validity of a statement without revealing the specific data that makes the statement true. This technology has profound implications for privacy in Web3. For instance, with zkPass, users can prove they meet age requirements without disclosing their birth date. They can prove they possess sufficient funds for a transaction without revealing their account balance or transaction history. zkPass's innovative approach to privacy extends beyond its core technology. The zkPass TransGate Chrome extension offers a seamless and secure way to interact with Web3 applications. This browser extension acts as a secure bridge between users' digital identities and the decentralized applications they interact with. When a user visits a website that integrates with zkPass, the extension allows them to securely share verified credentials without exposing unnecessary personal information. This process is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Users can easily manage their digital identities and control what information is shared with each application. This streamlined approach to privacy-preserving authentication opens up a world of possibilities for Web3 applications. For example, imagine a decentralized social media platform where users can prove their identity and reputation without revealing their real names or personal details. This could foster a more authentic and trustworthy online environment. zkPass is more than just a privacy solution. It's a fundamental building block for a more equitable and user-centric Web3. By giving users control over their data, zkPass empowers them to participate in the digital economy without compromising their privacy. This is particularly crucial in the context of DePIN, or decentralized physical infrastructure network projects, like LayerEdge and BlockMesh. These initiatives rely on distributed networks of individuals and devices to provide essential services like wireless internet and edge computing. zkPass can play a pivotal role in these ecosystems by enabling secure and privacy-preserving authentication for users and devices. Imagine a world where you can connect to a decentralized wireless network without exposing your personal information or browsing habits. zkPass's commitment to security is unwavering. The platform has undergone rigorous security audits by leading firms like Halborn. These audits ensure that zkPass meets the highest industry standards for data protection and privacy. This commitment to security, coupled with its user-friendly design, makes zkPass an ideal solution for a wide range of Web3 applications. As Web3 continues to evolve, privacy will remain paramount. zkPass is at the forefront of this movement, paving the way for a future where users can confidently navigate the digital world. With its innovative use of zero-knowledge proofs and its commitment to user empowerment, zkPass is building the foundation for a more private, secure, and equitable internet for all.